A bike rider was injured in a collision between a car and a bike late in the evening. The incident took place at a three-way intersection in front of Berimura School under the jurisdiction of the Bamutia police outpost. According to reports, a Pulsar RS200 bike bearing registration number TR01BA 9923 was heading towards Kali Bazar from Bamutia, and the accident occurred in front of Berimura School. The injured have been transported to the hospital. The West Police Station took up the case for investigation. Report, Chini Khorang.